The legal system. The pharaoh officially headed the legal system and was responsible for enacting laws, establishing justice, and maintaining law and order, a concept the ancient Egyptians referred to as the god Ma'at. Although there are no surviving laws from ancient Egypt, court documents show that Egyptian law was based on a common sense of right and wrong, stressing the necessity of reaching agreements and peaceful settlements of disputes and conflicts. The local council of elders, known as the Kinbet in the new state, was responsible for deciding cases and minor disputes brought before the court. As for the most serious disputes and conflicts, such as murder, embezzlement of state lands, and robbery of cemeteries, they were referred to what is called the Great Kinbet, which is headed by the minister or the pharaoh himself in some cases. Plaintiffs and defendants were expected to appear in person and be required to swear an oath to tell the truth. In some cases, the state took on the role of both prosecutor and judge, and beating the accused to obtain a confession and the names of any co-conspirators was fine. It does not matter if the charges are trivial or serious, as court clerks document the complaint, testimony, and ruling in the case for future reference when needed. Punishment for minor crimes involves either fines, beatings, facial mutilation, or banishment, depending on the severity of the crime. Serious crimes, such as murder and robbing graves, were punished by death, which was carried out by beheading, drowning, or placing the offender on a pole to pierce his body. The punishment may extend to include the offender's family. Beginning in the New Kingdom, oracles, people in contact with machines, played a major role in the legal system, dispensing justice in civil and criminal cases. They were asking the machine a question whose answer was yes or no about the validity and truth of an issue. The god then renders the judgment carried out by a number of priests by directly choosing one or the other, moving forward or backward, or pointing to one of the answers written on a scrap of papyrus or piece of stone.